how to search for nearby people on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the search bar on the bottom of your screen and further in the search bar, search for the place nearby. Now, in the toolbar at the top, make sure to tap on the Places option and then select a more recent place. And in the interface that you will then be led to, you will be able to view all the posts that have been made from that particular location lately. You can also tap on the recent option there in order to view the recents of that particular place. So this is how you can search for nearby people on Instagram map. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.